Welcome to Azar Pixel's YouTube channel. Today, we're repairing an Artfox 2.9mm outdoor LED module. First, we remove the shaders to access the module. Next, the main PCB is tested to identify any failures. Now, dead pixels are carefully removed, and the surface is cleaned using solder wick to prepare for replacement. Then, we clear all the debris to ensure a clean connection. Next, new pixels are placed and precisely soldered onto the module. Once installed, the module is cleaned thoroughly. We then apply silicone to restore weather protection for outdoor use. The module is then tested to confirm proper performance. Finally, the shaders are reinstalled. Now, the module is fully repaired and ready for deployment. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more repair videos.